Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in or sign up into your Dropbox. To do so, simply search for dropbox.com/login and then you'll be taken directly into the login site of Dropbox. Here you can see that as I have already logged in by my Google account, my account is already showing up. But if you have not logged in or you want to sign up, simply there will be a option for continue with Google. Click on the Google option if you want to log in through Google. Otherwise, you can also click on Apple if you have an Apple account, or simply you can just sign in with the email as well. Just put your email address right here and click on continue. After that, just follow some simple steps of writing your credentials down, and now you'll be able to log in or sign up into the Dropbox. This is a very easy process on how you can sign up for Dropbox. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. As you can see, as I have selected with my Google Chrome, now I am already logged in into my Dropbox. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.